Are you applying on Upwork but not getting any replies? Maybe your profile is ready, you're sending proposals. But still, silence. You might be making some common beginner mistakes that kill your chances before you even start. In today's video, I'll share the top 5 mistakes new freelancers make on Upwork, and how to avoid them in 2025. Watch till the end, save your time and effort. No niche/too many skills. Common mistake: beginners try to do everything. They write 5 different skills in one profile like graphic design, SEO, data entry, video editing. Result: clients get confused and skip your profile. Backhand index pointing right: always focus on one clear niche. If you're a beginner, go for micro niches like Canva social media posts or podcast editing with Audacity. Clarity equals trust. Weak or generic profile. Your profile is your digital first impression. And many beginners just copy-paste lines like, "I'm a hardworking freelancer, I can do any task." Sorry, but that doesn't work anymore. Backhand index pointing right: instead, write 3 things: what you do, specific. Who you help, your ideal client. How you solve their problem. Add a clean profile photo and 1 or 2 portfolio samples. That's enough to get started. Sending same proposal to every job. Next big mistake: copy-paste proposals. Clients can spot it from miles away. They're reading 20+ proposals, yours needs to feel personal. Backhand index pointing right: start by mentioning something from their job post, show that you read it, then offer a solution. And keep it short, no long stories. I shared a free proposal template in a previous video, check that out. Not using filters. Beginners often waste time by applying on the wrong jobs. Either the client is too experienced, with high expectations, or the budget is too low. Backhand index pointing right: use Upwork filters, payment verified. New client. Budget, fixed. These filters will help you find better beginner-friendly jobs. It saves time and increases your chances. Giving up too early. Most new freelancers quit after sending 5 to 10 proposals. That's not enough. Backhand index pointing right: Upwork is a long game. You need to apply daily, improve your profile, and stay consistent. Success doesn't come overnight, but if you don't give up, your first client will come, guaranteed. So those were the top 5 Upwork mistakes beginners must avoid in 2025. If you fix these, your chances of getting your first client will increase fast. Thumbs up, like this video if you learned something new. Speech balloon comment which mistake you were making. Bell, and don't forget to subscribe to Earnify hacks for more freelancing and online earning content. Green circle on screen: text, comment, fixed my mistake.